Siyempre, tunayan natin si Lord. Thank you, Lord, sa opportunity na to. And Pure Gold, maraming salamat. And Chris, maraming salamat po sa tiwala. And of course, thank you so much to our actors, Katie Estrada, Alexa Elacan, Kira Barringer, and Jameson Blake. And also, I would like to thank my executive producer, Miss Smiley. Miss Smiley, tawag ko dito. Kung akong iiwan, sabi mo walang iwan na. But maraming salamat po. Ang collab po ay, when two popular content creators face conflicts in their respective romantic relationship, they decided to form an unlikely collaboration. So isang malaking collaboration na po to. So naniniwala po ako na to win in life, hindi po natin kailangan makipag-compete because competition is out, collaboration is in. What?